Okay, we've made adjustments on the mouth. Taking some more out in here. A little bit down in here. Rounded this down some. So I think, pretty sure we're going to have enough play. So what I'm going to do is I want to hook up my eye hook so we can test our string and our spring when we put this back in. So the eye hook back here is for your string to tie to. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. And then we'll put this one up here. This is going to be for our spring. So we'll hook up our spring to this. And we'll temporarily tie our string on back here. Like I said, this is really one of the most important parts, is making sure your mouth is free to move freely, doesn't catch on anything. Because nothing's worse than getting it all put together and then find out you got an error, then you got to tear it all apart again. Yeah, I think we're going to have plenty of play in there. I think we're going to be fine now. So now we're going to check our half-inch dowel. We want to make sure we have the right amount of tension when you pull your string. You don't want it to be too difficult to pull. You can see here, the mouth is moving freely. We're going to test this. Yep. Nice and loose in there. So we'll glue our dowel in, let that set, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.